Want to know how to manage your subscription in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view the subscriptions that you had done in Kimi AI and how you can manage them, that is unsubscribing as well. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now what you need to do is, first things first, you can just simply open up your kimi.com website. So you can just simply head towards kimi.com on your web browser and make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you've done all of that, you should be provided with this interface, and on the bottom left side you should be seeing your profile right here. Just simply select that. So once you have selected your profile, here you should be seeing settings right here, right below user feedback. Just simply select that, and now here you should be seeing your settings. So you can just simply scroll down until you see manage, and now right below manage you should be seeing manage subscription. Just simply select that. Now if you have any plans, it should show something like this, and if you don't, you can just simply upgrade by selecting upgrade plan right here, and it should be able to upgrade you to it. So once you're under this subscription page, you can just simply unsubscribe and manage the amount of subscriptions and the type of subscriptions that you have, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.